Happy Monday, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. Today, we have like processing accounts for a bank. We have entering orders, quality assurance for healthcare claims. So, double checking those claims, making sure everything is going out the door correctly. And I even threw a fun one in managing workout fitness content if you're into health and fitness. So, hopefully, we have a little bit of a mixed bag, something for everyone. As always, links, timestamps, all additional information you may need can always be found in the YouTube description box below this video. And I am just throwing this out there in all of my videos that I put out this week that next week, August, I think it is the 11th through the 15th, I am going to be gone on vacation. So I will not be posting any work from home jobs at all next week, but I will be back the following week. First up, we have U.S. Bank hiring. U.S. Bank has 12,000 reviews from past and current employees. And out of all those employees that has reviewed them, they have an average overall employee satisfaction score of 3.3 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an account processor. Now, a few things to note with this position. It is remote for the United States. Everything that I'm sharing is for the United States only. That's where my job expertise lies. But this one is only taking applications through August 6th. So tomorrow, August 5th, is the last full day to get those applications in. So you got pretty much about 24 hours or so to get those applications in. So if you are interested in this job, don't wait on putting that application in. But as an account processor, you are going to be on the phone taking phone calls, responding to those phone calls from U.S. Bank cardholders or third-party partners, providing accurate account information, and of course, processing anything they need on their account. Maybe they need account changes, account updates. You are listening to the customer and resolving any of their issues just in a timely manner. And of course, entering settlement agreements into the system, ensuring compliance with all company policies and procedures. So this means you're monitoring and responding to not only those phone calls, but a shared email box as well, preparing and processing related account documents using like Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, performing any data entry with great attention to detail. So just anything for account maintenance for these card accounts. It might be credit cards, it might be debit cards. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma and somebody who has previous experience in some kind of customer service or call center. You can work with computer systems, specifically those Microsoft Office systems. Now, they do really desire somebody who has a background in financial services. And a few things to note on this: no weekends needed. Time is 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday Central Time. So if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours and see if that works for you. This is a remote role as long as you don't live near a U.S. Bank location. If you live near a U.S. Bank location, it's going to be hybrid, 3 days in the office, 2 days on. I don't have any U.S. Bank locations near me. I'm not sure. I've never seen one, so I don't know where they are actually located. So just know that if you live near a location, this might not be for you. Now, next up, we have the company MasterBrand Cabinets hiring. They have 502 reviews from past and current employees with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. MasterBrand is looking for an order entry specialist. Now, this is full-time and it does say employees can work remote. One thing I want to note about this position is that MasterBrand Cabinets is a cabinet installation service. And so the orders you're going to be entering are in related to people having cabinets installed. So you are facilitating the verbal, electronic, and hard communications with those customers regarding the phase of installation and construction their cabinets are in. So you're making sure the cabinet order dates are in the system, the cabinet selection information, purchase orders, everything is received from the person that goes out to their cabinets and like measures for their cabinets and everything is entered correctly into the system. And you're providing those field measure packets on time for the field collectors, the people who are going and doing the measuring and installing of the cabinets. You're collecting that purchase order information from them, preparing the accurate pricing summary for invoice purposes, and of course, timely and accurately ordering of all jobs is the goal. So you're keeping track of the construction schedules that's going on through communication, electronic scheduling, things like that. You're keeping up with all the documentation, all of the notifications, scheduling, just everything. You are making sure the job gets entered from start to finish. You're making sure just everything goes off without a hitch. Only requires a high school diploma or GED. They do want somebody who has experience using basic accounting principles, keeping up with things like that in the computer system. Somebody who can communicate with different skilled trades, skill levels. Somebody who can work in a fast paced environment. And of course, somebody who can collect data and enter data. Now, sadly, this one did not list pay. That will need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. I don't work for any of these companies. I'm just simply sharing what I find online. If they don't list the pay in the job description, I have no way of knowing what that is. Now, a job that does list pay is BlueSprig. BlueSprig has 608 reviews from past and current employees at overall rating of 3.4 out of 5 stars. And they are looking for a quality assurance specialist. This is in regards to healthcare claims, double checking those claims to make sure they are quality. It is remote for the United States. Again, they're looking for somebody, no weekends, to work 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And pay for this one is $22 an hour. But they're basically looking for somebody to implement their quality assurance policies and procedures to reduce their clearinghouse rejections and insurance claims denials. So basically, insurance claims go out to the clearinghouse to be sent out in a batch electronic order, or they have already been sent out and the insurance company denies them and does not pay them. Two different situations there with insurance claims, but in both situations, those claims don't get paid. So if you kind of know up front what is causing claims to go out and not get paid, you kind of check those claims and fix those errors before they go out so they do get paid the first time. You don't want to have them reject, come back, and then you fix the error and send it out a second time. So basically, that's what you're doing, is double checking everything and identifying and resolving any errors found during the initial review before these healthcare claims ever go out to insurance companies. So, of course, you're going to have to participate in department meetings with different departments, providing support and training for claim reps as needed. But other than that, you're basically the quality person that is just looking, reviewing claims, and resolving any errors before they go out. Now, this one does not need a lot of experience. They're only looking for a high school diploma or GED and 1 to 3 months of related experience, or they will take equivalent education and training over that experience. And of course, I thought I would throw a little bit of something different in there. If you're into health and fitness, Zwift is hiring in that health and fitness category. We don't see a lot of remote jobs in the health and fitness. Now, Zwift is like an exercise app. A lot of people use it to work out like at home. They have 165 reviews with an overall rating of 3.1 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a workout content manager. Again, remote eligible for United States locations, so remote for the United States. But basically, whether it's Zwift or whether it's like a Peloton or what other kind of workout apps there out there, a lot of people have monthly subscriptions to these fitness apps where they get workout content, right? You get like daily workouts to do or weekly workouts to do. Some people do them at home, some people follow them in a gym. But basically, they are looking for somebody to manage the creation and refinement of those workout and training plans that are in their app or on their website. So you're basically owning the strategy and execution of structured workout content across all of Zwift's platforms. You're designing and building new workouts and new training plans. Of course, you're conducting regular content audit as well. You're reviewing the training plans and workout plans that are already out there, making sure they are clear, making sure they follow correct training logic. So you might partner with product engineering or marketing teams for structured content supports, feature launches, different campaigns, but you are just kind of contributing to all the planning of workouts and personalization of those workouts. Now, this doesn't require any kind of college degree, but they do want somebody who's kind of been in the fitness industry. You have experience designing structured workout plans or workout library. So if you've been like a training coach in a gym or something, this would be great for you to take that out of the gym and be able to work from home. So they do want somebody who has strong knowledge of training principles, power zones, recovery-based training, somebody who's familiar with basically performance data tools, looking at different metrics, and of course, somebody who is highly detail oriented. But now, if that is you, this one pays fairly decent. It starts out at $70,500 a year, and pay can go up to $110,000 a year. Of course, the pay is going to be dependent on your things like experience and location. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.